Hello everyone. Welcome back to Suma English Vocabulary. In today's video, you will learn 50 action verbs in English with simple meanings and easy examples. Action verbs help you speak English clearly and confidently in daily life. So watch this video till the end and improve your English vocabulary. Let's start. Run. To move fast. She runs every morning. Walk. To move slowly. I walk to school. Eat. To take food. We eat lunch at noon. Drink. To take liquid. He drinks water. Read. To look at written words. She reads a book. Write. To make letters or words. I write my homework. Speak. To talk. He speaks English. Listen. To hear carefully. Please listen to me. Jump. To move up. The boy jumps high. Sit. To take a seat. She sits on the chair. Stand. To be on your feet. He stands near the door. Open. To make something open. Open the window. Close. To shut. Close the door. Play. To have fun. Children play outside. Work. To do a job. She works in an office. Study. To learn. I study English daily. Teach. To give knowledge. She teaches students. Learn. To get knowledge. I learn new words. Help. To assist. Please help me. Buy. To purchase. I buy fruits. Sell. To give something for money. He sells books. Drive. To control a vehicle. He drives a car. Cook. To make food. She cooks dinner. Clean. To make tidy. I clean my room. Wash. To clean with water. Wash your hands. Sleep. To rest. The baby sleeps well. Wake. To stop sleeping. I wake up early. Watch. To look carefully. We watch TV. See. To look. I see a bird. Talk. To speak. They talk daily. Carry. To hold and move. She carries a bag. Throw. To toss. Throw the ball. Catch. to stop and hold. Catch the ball. Push, to press forward. Push the door. Pull, to drag. Pull the rope. Cut, to divide with a knife. Cut the apple. Draw, to make a picture. She draws flowers. Paint, to color. He paints a house. Climb, to go up. The boy climbs a tree. Swim, to move in water. She swims well. Smile, to show happiness. She smiles a lot. Cry, to shed tears. The baby cries. Laugh, to show happiness. They laugh loudly. Dance, to move with music. She dances beautifully. Sing, to make music with voice. He sings well. Travel, to go from one place to another. I travel by bus. Arrive, to reach a place. We arrive early. Leave, to go away. I leave home at. Wait, to stay until something happens. Please wait here. These were 50 action verbs in English with meanings and examples. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Suma English Vocabulary. For more daily English learning videos, press the bell icon. See you in the next lesson. Bye.